Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will share with you my favorite shrimp pasta with roasted pepper sauce. I have to tell you something, this summer I will visit Italy again and I will come back with more pasta recipes. The first step is to bring a large pot of water to a boil. Heat up a large non-stick pan and add 45 grams unsalted butter. For a delicious flavor, we will add 4 minced garlic cloves and we will cook it for 20 seconds, stirring occasionally. The next step is to add 16 medium peeled and decorticated shrimps. Cook for 2 minutes on high heat, stirring occasionally. Reduce the heat and add 2 tablespoons of white wine, stir, cover, and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Add another 1 tablespoon of white wine. The next step is to add 300 ml roasted red pepper sauce. In order to find the recipe, click now on the top right corner. Add 5 tablespoons of heavy cream and stir until well combined. There is no authentic pasta without Parmesan cheese, right? Sprinkle 5 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese on top and stir until creamy, cover and let it cook at low heat until our pasta is ready. You can also season it with more salt and pepper if you need. Add 250 grams of fettuccine pasta in the boiling water and cook according to the packing instructions for about 5 to 7 minutes. The last step is to drain them well. And voila! Now we combine them with our delicious shrimp roasted red pepper sauce. Mix everything well and garnish with more Parmesan cheese and freshly basil leaves. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, comment and share the recipe if you liked it. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.